master medical devices registration and all regulatory activities and aspects, in addition to the latest updates up until 2020 and 2021 for the medical devices registration and legislation across the whole Europe. So let's travel together to the continent of Europe, let's travel to the European Union, and let's discover how we can place our medical devices there. Let's discover what are the latest updates there, what are the rule of EMA, and what is the updated rule of EMA also as per the latest regulations there. So let's take off to Europe and let's master medical devices registration and placing our medical devices in such a huge market, the market which is full of opportunities, the market which you cannot miss ever for the registration of even medical devices or pharmaceutical products. So my name is Zahra Hassan. I am the founder and the CEO of the Pharma Academy. I came to you from the industry. I have up to more than 10 years of experience in the pharma industry. Actually, I believe in order to be such an expert in such a career, you need to combine both study plus practice. That's why I have 3 master degrees in the field of the pharma industry. I started my first one in the field of pharmacology and toxicology, and this is actually was some sort of collaboration between the UAE University Faculty of Medicine and Manchester University in the UK, and have up to 2 publications out of this master degree. Then when I decided to go deeper to the pharma industry, when I found my passion there, so I decided to follow my passion, and that's why I did my MBA. And then my third one, it's a relatively highly interesting career, relatively new career of the pharma industry as well, which is the pharmacovigilance, the field which is dealing with the safety of the products, the post-marketing stage of the products, which became the hot topic now across the globe in Europe and the Mediterranean region as well. And this is actually from Bordeaux University in France, which is currently I'm a PhD student there. This is in addition to my membership in the RAP Society of the US for the regulatory affairs. So let me be your pilot today and let's travel to Europe. Let's see how we can place our medical devices in such a huge market, the market which is it can't be missed for any kind of product placing, the market which is a must market, exactly like the US one as well. So join me in this trip and let's master medical devices registration there. We will cover the classification with the updated classification rules. We're going to cover also the EMA rule with the updated EMA rule as per the updated regulations in 2020 and 2021 and how the pandemic affected these regulations. And also we're going to go through all the requirements for the placing those medical devices there, what are the documents required, what are the conditions of these documents required, and also we're gonna speak about in much more detail about the notified body, the CE mark, the free certificate need, and also the GMND code with the clinical evaluation and clinical investigation, and we're gonna finish it with the barcoding requirements and the UDI, the concept which is applicable in Europe and also have been transferred to the other parts of the world, such as the Mediterranean as well. So join me in this trip. I can't wait to see you in my course. I can't wait to see you on board, and best of luck with all of you, and thank you.